it yourself. Peter Pan. Wendy lived in a house in London. She had two brothers. They were called John and Michael. One night, a boy called Peter Pan came to Wendy's house. Peter asked Wendy, John, and Michael to come to Neverland. Wendy and her brothers flew in the sky with Peter Pan and his friend Tinkerbell. They flew all the way to Neverland. But Tinkerbell did not like Wendy. She told Peter's friends to shoot down Wendy. The boys shot Wendy down, but Peter saved her. The boys went to find some Indians. The Indians tied them up. Peter took Wendy to see some mermaids. They saw a boat. A wicked pirate was in the boat. He was Captain Hook. A crocodile was in the water. Peter's friend was in the boat too. Where is Peter? Asked Captain Hook. I will not tell you, said Tiger Lily. Peter saved Tiger Lily and took her home. Captain Hook fell into the water. The Indians set the boys free. They were very happy. Captain Hook was very cross. Bring Tinkerbell here, he said. Yes, Captain, said Mr. Sneak. Tinkerbell showed Captain Hook where to find Wendy. Captain Hook locked her in a lantern. The boys wanted to go home. Goodbye, Peter, said Wendy. But the pirates were waiting for the children. They took them to their ship. You must be pirates, said Captain Hook. No, said the children. Tinkerbell got out of the glass lantern. She flew to Peter. You must save the children, she said. Peter Pan and Captain Hook had a fight. Captain Hook fell off the ship. The crocodile was waiting for Captain Hook. The ship flew up into the sky. It flew back to London. The children went home. Goodbye, Peter, said the children. Come and see us again. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.